There's the sign for Swanage, and let's see where we can find the welcome sign. Here are 1.5 miles. We're on High Street now. Any minute. Just behind those bushes. Here it is, Swanage! Woo! Swanage! We're in Swanage now. Yeah, so now we've got
Look, Jack.
a lot of hay bales on the tractor. Woohoo!
Yeah,
Swanage School.
I still got the house with the dog painted on the window.
I know. Yeah, I always see that.
Is it still there?
Yeah, it's still there. Hey, I know him. It's one of the bus drivers. Blimey.
Oh yeah.
It's one of the bus drivers. Yeah, that's happened before, really. So I was at Sanford's Holiday Park, because I got the 40 about 6:45 last, it was last Thursday. Apparently there was a bus driver, he got on at Sanford Holiday Park. Oh look, Swanage Folk Festival coming up.
Are you going to that?
Yeah, I'll probably attend that.
That's good, isn't it, though? You can do things on your own, isn't it?
Yeah, I'll probably attend the folk festival.
That's great.
Starts on the 6th of September, which is pretty good.
Yeah.
Right, we're just on High Street now. We're just only 3 stops away.
3?
Yeah,
How do you know that?
because we're about 3 stops away, because we're at Hurston Cross, then we've got Cecil Road and Argyle Road. Yeah,
Wow.
yeah. So now, only 2 stops left.
That's amazing, you remember.
So yeah, because the 35's much more quicker to get back on the 35 and 30.
Yeah.
Whereas for the 40, it's a bit of a long... Right, the time now is 12:14.
Any minute, yeah?
Yeah, any minute.
3 minutes, I reckon.
Yeah, we're about 3 minutes away. Oh.
Wow.
Yeah.
Right, 2 more now, I guess.
One more after this one.
1 more.
Yeah. I know. Yep. Where the old police station is.
Where's that?
It's just on your right when we come down.
Yeah?
Yeah. Right. Down Court Hill.
Don't live far from here then.
So I don't live not too far from the bus station, only about 10 minutes down the road.
So there's a train, yeah?
Yes, so it's easier
So
for
do
me
you get another bus back now? Or?
no, I'm heading home now, so